Hello crafters, this is Gareth from G's Creations. In today's video we are going to make a candle topper. Now I will show some pictures of a few other or one other, depending on how many I make at the end of this video. This is an autumn one and I'm going to be using this lovely distressed bird box that I found at my local pound store. I've got one of these chipboard coasters which are stocked in G's Embellishment Emporium. There'll be a link above. I've got some oases which I've cut to size. I don't want loads, so I'm just going to glue this onto this chipboard coaster, and I want him to go on top like that. But before I put him, I've got a jar full of floral embellishments and floral pieces which I'm going to be using. I've got these picks which I got from my distributor. I'm just going to cut the stem if I can, if I'm able, which I am, because it's slightly too long, and I'm going to go at an angle, at a slight angle. I'm going to cut these roughly to the same length. And I'm going to have one on each end. I'm not going to decorate. Oh, actually, before I do any of that, I forgot one of the key ingredients. I'm going to cover this oasis block with some artificial moss. So I'm just going to pop my moss on and glue it into place, and that will just hide this oasis. I need to fill up my hot glue gun. It'll just hide the oasis so it's not so visible. I'm not going to do it so I can't poke anything through it, but I do need to do it so it has good coverage. Okay, and I'm also going to do the back. I'm not going to put anything in the back, probably. I don't think I am, because this is probably going to sit on a shelf, so I'm going to need the back fairly flat. But I do want to cover the fact that there's oasis there, so get rid of that. So going back to our picks, I am going to put a pick in either side. And these are absolutely gorgeous, these picks. If you want me to stock these, please let me know. But they'll be great for Christmas projects as well. Okay. This is probably going to be another autumn topper, because I'm going to be using some of these picks that I've got. So again, just going to cut them, or do the wiggle technique if I'm able to. Right, that's that one, but I want to get two out of this if I can, so I'm going to go in about there. Oof. Okay, let's see how far these stick out. Not too bad. I don't want them sticking out too far. Actually, I wonder if I can just poke these in directly. Maybe if I use some of these little pieces from that I cut off. I've got these pieces that I cut off from these sprigs, so I'm going to utilize those. I'm going to place some of these in. And I can of course use hot glue. Let's see if hot glue works. So I'm just going to put some hot glue on the end and pop it in, and also push it in far enough so it hits the so it goes into some of the oasis. So I'm going to use that and push it in. I have to use my heat gun to get rid of these hot glue strings. It's a bit too long, need some thinner ones. Okay, because I'm going to have him sitting on there like that. So let's have a look what else I've got here. Right. I've got some of these gorgeous faux leaves, which I think I'm going to probably bring these to the store also, because I think they're just too gorgeous not to bring. I think they are so realistic. Right, I'm going to poke this one in to the styrofoam. And the good thing about this, you can push things in, see how they work. If they don't work, take them out. I want some of the larger ones. I want a couple of the larger ones on the side here. Again, just pushing it into the styrofoam. I've got some of these orange double-ended berries, which I can just put the two ends together and then twist, and I can poke these in directly into the styrofoam. So I'm just going to continue to do this, have a play around and see what I come up with, and then I will come back to you to show you when I glue this on. Okay, I'm going to take off this this ring at the top because I don't need it, and I'm going to put some hot glue directly onto the styrofoam. I'm going to pop my little birdhouse straight onto the styrofoam, lifting up the embellishments. See if I need to adjust anything. That just needs to go in further. So it looks like that. And then move these things out of the way so I can show you properly. I'll show you one of the other ones that you may have seen on Facebook already. And that's this one here. That's this one here, and it's got some faux mushrooms, a faux pear, and again it's just styrofoam, the Oasis and the coasters, and then it fits directly onto a base, just a tabletop like that, because it has the flat base, or it will fit into any of my candle stands like so. So it goes like that. I know it's very hard to see on camera, so that's that one. And here is the birdhouse we have just done together. So it fits on there perfectly, and then it will sit on the top of the candlestick like that, or any size candlestick, or you can put it onto a tabletop or a small shelf, any way you want it to, because it has the flat base. So there we go, there's the birdhouse candle topper, ready for autumn. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you again very soon. I hope you found this inspirational or helpful in some way. You know, leave me some lovely comments and I'll answer them as soon as I can. I do enjoy reading your comments. If you do recreate any of my projects, please head over to Facebook and join the group G's Creations Is Now My Creation, and share your gorgeous projects with us.